When it comes to increasing your home's value, many homeowners focus on large renovations, but sometimes the most impactful upgrades are the simplest. In Kendall, replacing your doors is one of those smart investments that can deliver both immediate visual appeal and long-term financial benefits. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. It sets the tone for the entire property. An outdated, worn, or damaged door can make even a well-maintained home feel less inviting. On the other hand, a new replacement door instantly refreshes your home's appearance, creating a strong first impression that boosts curb appeal. In Kendall's competitive housing market, that first impression can make a significant difference. Curb appeal plays a major role in property value, especially if you're considering selling your home. Potential buyers often form opinions within seconds of seeing a property. A modern, stylish door signals that the home has been cared for and updated, making it more attractive from the start. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, enhancing your home's exterior can increase its perceived value and pride of ownership. Beyond appearance, replacement doors improve energy efficiency, which is another factor that adds value. Older doors often have worn seals or poor insulation, allowing air to escape and outside temperatures to affect your home. In Kendall's warm climate, this can lead to higher cooling costs. New doors are designed with better insulation and tighter seals, helping maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Lower energy bills and improved comfort are features that both homeowners and potential buyers appreciate. Security is another important consideration when it comes to property value. A strong, well-built door with modern locking systems provides better protection for your home. Buyers in Kendall often prioritize safety, and a secure entryway can be a major selling point. Upgrading your door not only gives you peace of mind but also adds a layer of value that makes your home more appealing on the market. Material quality also contributes to long-term value. Replacement doors made from durable materials such as fiberglass or steel are built to withstand wear, weather, and daily use. These materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, which means your door will continue to look and perform well for years. This durability reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacements, making it a cost-effective upgrade over time. Another way replacement doors increase property value is through customization. Homeowners in Kendall have a wide range of design options to choose from, including colors, finishes, glass inserts, and decorative elements. A customized door allows you to create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. This attention to detail can set your property apart and make it more memorable to potential buyers. Natural light is another benefit that can enhance value. Doors with glass panels or side lights allow sunlight to enter your home, creating a brighter and more welcoming interior. Well-lit spaces tend to feel larger and more inviting, which can positively influence how buyers perceive your home. Functionality also matters. A properly installed replacement door operates smoothly, opens and closes easily, and seals tightly. These small details contribute to the overall quality of your home. Buyers notice when things work as they should, and a well-functioning door reflects a higher level of maintenance and care. Additionally, replacing your doors can improve noise reduction. Newer doors with better insulation help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. In a lively area like Kendall, this added comfort can be a valuable feature for homeowners and buyers alike. Finally, replacement doors offer a strong return on investment. Compared to larger renovations, they are relatively affordable while still delivering noticeable improvements in appearance, efficiency, and security. This makes them an ideal upgrade for homeowners looking to increase value without taking on a major project. For homeowners in Kendall, replacing your doors is more than just a cosmetic update, it's a strategic investment. It enhances curb appeal, improves energy efficiency, increases security, and adds lasting value to your property. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and functional home, A replacement door is a smart choice that pays off in more ways than one.